afraid to do. It's a basic rule. Anywhere you want to go in this life, if you're afraid to do it, just do it. Something in contest snowboarding people don't understand probably is that the fact that that one run of that one day is gonna be, it's gonna be watched so many times after. It's not just a practice run for yourself, it's like creating a picture that is like gonna be viewed over so many times. And if you fuck up that picture, you're so bummed on that, like nobody can fix that. A lot of times, you know, you land your run and you're not happy. And of course, the fact that you podium or you win makes you, you know, forget about it. Create now. That's what contest snowboarding is. And sometimes it's worth more than anything else because it's alive. It's like, it's just there for that moment, but it's everywhere for that moment, and that's what it is. And some people live for that, and they should get respect for it. What happened on my first run, like the wind plus that was exactly the spot where all day long that was like on the edge of making it back in and then just hitting, like decking out.
And of course, Iouri Podladtchikov. All right, iPod, drop it in. Big backside air.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Swiss rider, big front end there. Coming in switch.
And that's actually a big, you know, big part of today was if you don't land your first run, especially you hurt yourself on your first run. And first of all, you're thinking like, can I do my second run? Like, am I okay? And then moving into your second run, you're thinking of something safe to make finals. It's always a difficult situation. It's like, it's not where you want to be in. And with the way things are now, like you have to spin to win to get like scores. And then eventually if you land everything pretty clean, you'll get a high flow score. It's totally not where snowboarding should be right now. But in the end, yeah, in the end I got 13th place and I got pissed off, but it goes away so quickly. You're pissed off for a couple of minutes and then you're already looking into, maybe real quick looking into what really happened, look in the replay, look what you could have done better, and then you're like, boom, what's the next thing? I think you even have to be able to take the negative energy and put it into something that's gonna blow everyone's mind the next time you drop in. Like, that's what almost motivates me more, is like, take the angry me right now and like put it into going even bigger. You're always like, if you couldn't do that, if you get too bummed on something, I think you couldn't do this, like this contest series. I'm not filming video parts, I'm not doing this and that, and obviously feel bad for it because I'd love to, because I love to see video parts like that get me motivated, and I love to do that as well, but to be in that niche of snowboarding where you're kind of trying new technical difficulties, I'd rather be there. That's why I'm there. I'm kind of proud of being there, of trying new stuff that no one else is trying. That's what keeps you calm when people fuck up your day, like judges do sometimes, you know, like when stuff happens that is unexplainable, especially with judges, you're like, well, whatever. They're definitely not gonna showcase those tricks because no one else is trying it. It's not comparable. It's like it's just as good. You can't just throw away one thing for the other. It's not like because I can't throw a backside on the snowboard because there's like snow, I'm gonna go throw it on the skateboard. It's both things have the same value. They both feel like unreal. It is all about style, because if I look at what I'm doing in life and I don't like my style, then I could kill myself. It's just like, it's horrible. This is the most horrible part about snowboarding actually, that it's all about that style. Because if you don't like what you're doing, it's like, what is the sense of doing it then? Because in the end, maybe you inspire someone, and even if you inspire yourself, that's already enough, but then sometimes it goes further. You inspire someone and then you're already doing something good in life, I guess.